Today we learn letter W. Diddy-loo. W is for wagon, pull it slow. Toys right along, off we go. W is for watch, tick-tock time. Hands move round in a steady rhyme. W is for wash, scrub-a-dub clean. Hands get shiny, fresh and green. W is for walk, step by step. Heel to toe, don't forget. W is for whisper, soft and low. Quiet words, now you know. W is for right, lines and curves. Practice helps, everyone learns. W is for wind, whoosh it goes. Flying kites and ruffling clothes. W is for wait, calm and still. Good things come when you will. W is for work, try your best. Finish tasks, pass the test. W is for wonder, look and see. The world is full of mystery. W is for wise, think it through. Make good choices, yes you do. W is for win with heart and cheer. Sunny says keep going, you're a star my dear. Swimming slowly in oceans new. W is for wheel, round and round. Rolling softly on the ground. W is for wow, look and see. W makes words fun for you and me. W is for water, splash and play. We drink it every single day. W is for window, open wide. Sun and breeze come in inside. W is for welcome, kind and true. Smiling faces say hello to you. W brings welcome, warm and bright. Learning letters feels just right.